We are going to be experimenting with finding half. And I'm going to use my ball of Play-Doh to help me find half. Here, I've got my whole ball of Play-Doh. One ball of Play-Doh, all of it is together here. But my friend has come to play and I want to share with her. So I'm going to split my Play-Doh down the middle in half so we've both got some Play-Doh to play with. Now, how do you think my friend would feel if I gave her this amount of Play-Doh and I had this amount of Play-Doh? Do you think she'd be very happy? No, I don't think she would, because it's not very fair. I've got more Play-Doh than she has. It's not split in half. So when we're splitting things in half, we do need to make sure that there is the same amount on both sides so that we're being fair. Let's do it again. Let's see if I can be a kinder friend this time. I'm going to split it down the middle, make sure we've both got the same amount. There we go. I think she'll be happy with that. We've both now got half of the Play-Doh. This time I'm going to make a pancake. I'm going to pretend that my pancake has got some banana and some chocolate sauce on. What do you like to put on your pancakes? I wonder if some of you like to put sugar. Some people like ice cream on their pancakes. Right, here's my pancake. Now, I can't eat all of this pancake to myself, it's quite big, so I'm going to split it in half. Now again, remember, we need to be kind. We need to make sure that everyone's got the same amount. Half means two groups, so I need to make sure that everyone's got the same. If I cut it here and I have this bit and everybody else has this bit, is that half? No, I'm only going to have this little tiny bit here. That's not very much at all, is it? I need to be a bit kinder to myself than that. Right, let's try again. We're going to turn it over, see if we can find half this time. So remember, half is the same on both sides. If I cut it down there, is that going to be the same? Yes, I think it will. Right, let's go for it. Going to cut it down the middle, making sure there's the same on both sides. And there we go. I've cut my pancake in half. Two equal sides. I'm going to pack my Play-Doh away now because I'm going to show you another way that we can find half. We can also find half of 2D shapes. I've got a shape here. This looks a little bit like a pancake, look. Circle. I want to try and find half of my circle, and I'm going to do that by folding it. But remember, I've got to make sure I've got the same on both sides. So if I fold it like this, have I folded it in the middle? No, it's not got the same on both sides. So I need to be really careful with my folding. I'm going to take my time, push it down, making sure there's the same on both sides. Let's open it up. I'm going to get my pen, put my fold line down the middle. I'm going to colour in half so we can see that that is half of my shape. That is half of my circle. I've split it in half. Shall we try another way? Do you remember what this shape is called? It's got four sides, the same length. Yes, that's right, it's a square. Now let's see if we can fold this square in half. Remember, it's got to have the same on both sides. Being really careful to line up my edges, pushing it down. Is it the same on both sides? Yes, fantastic. Right, let's get my pen. I'm going to do my line down the middle to find the half. I'm going to colour half of it in. Brilliant. This is my last shape. Do you remember what this one's called? It's got three sides. That's right, it's a triangle. Now this shape is rather tricky to fold in half because look, if I do that, that's not the same on all the sides, is it? Let's try another way. Nope. So with some shapes you do have to really try hard to make sure that you can get, oh here we go, that you get the same on both sides. Now the way to do it is to try and line up the edges. Can you see I'm trying to line them up there? That's it, and that way I can make sure there's the same on both sides. There we go. Fold it up. Fantastic, found half there. Oh, I've also spotted something. When I fold my triangle in half, I make a smaller triangle. Look, there's my triangle there. But when I fold it in half, I made another triangle. So I suppose that's how you can tell if you folded your triangle in half correctly, is that you will make another triangle. So I wonder if you can have a go at those activities. Can you have a go at finding half of some Play-Doh? And then see if you can have a go at finding half of some 2D shapes.